Hi everyone, my name is Laszlo Rasta. I have been building this house for the last 5 years and it is completely off-grid. What you see over there, it's a little pump house. I have 4-stage water filtration system installed and a little storage. I'm gonna show it to you in the next coming video. I bought these panels used, 225 watt each. They are supplying the whole house and an electric car. I'm using 2 mini-split air conditioner in this house, one in the master bedroom and one in the living room. This is the almost heaven barrel sauna from Costco. Once you buy it, it comes in a million pieces and it takes a few hours to install it, but it's totally worth it. An 8x8 closet belongs to this master bedroom. Right now I'm using it as a storage since recently I purchased the robotic vacuum and I have to lift all the furniture from the floor up 4 inches. We are entering into the master bathroom. There is a little bit of work needs to be done here. I have to get a glass, a mirror, a little bit of painting, and there is a clock that has to go on the wall. But sooner or later it's gonna be done. I have all the walls built from concrete blocks, and some of them I applied texture, it's almost like a stucco. The other ones, like in the laundry room, even one large wall in the living room, I kept it just like that. In both of my bedroom, I installed a wall behind toilet, and I think it looks really cool when you just have the sitting area in the air. I mean, many people think that like it's not gonna be safe enough to sit on and they try to hold their whole weight while they're sitting on, but believe me, it is secured properly to the wall, and especially I have concrete walls, so the concrete boards, one board can hold 1,000 pounds, and I secured it like with 6, so don't worry, it's gonna stay. I built a house with 24-inch thick walls to make sure I can cool the house during the summer months when the temperature is above 105 degrees and stays there for more than a month. If you like the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button so I can notify you when I'm with my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.